Just 1 month ago, I decided to start calisthenics, starting with one of the hardest skills, which is the handstand. Why the handstand? The handstand requires technique, balance, and strength all at the same time. So I set myself one goal, which is hold a handstand, not necessarily a perfect one, within 30 days, starting as a complete beginner. Also, I had no idea how difficult it would actually be. At first, I was excited and I thought if I practice and train every day, I will just handle it very quickly, but definitely I was wrong. I quickly realized that handstands are not about just kicking your legs and hoping for the best, but it is about body control, shoulder strength, and learning how to balance using your fingers. This is why instead of chasing the hold, I tried to focus on building the basics first. After the first few days, I start understanding the movements more. My kickups were improving, but balancing was still extremely inconsistent. Some days I felt really close, but other days I felt like starting from the zero. There were even days where I could not even train properly, whether motivation or just feeling tired. That was probably the hardest part of the challenge, not strength, but showing up every day. Then something started to click. I actually stopped thinking about kicking up and started to think about balancing. I started to learn how to adjust using my fingers and how to engage my shoulders and hips properly. I realized that progress is not only about doing many attempts, but it is also about doing smart ones. And then it finally happened. It was not perfect, it was not clean, it was not stable, but it was my first real handstand. I did not master the handstands in 30 days, but I proved to myself something that is more important, which is if I have the patience, if I stay consistent in it, and if I started like kept on showing up, I can definitely learn almost anything. And this is only the beginning because now I want to know what is going to happen if I keep on going. So the question now is, what should I learn as a skill in the next 30 days? Leave a comment of which skill you want me to learn next and subscribe to follow the journey.